We're here live, watching the rain pour down. Possibly some lightning. Some lightning might strike.
No, there is.
Crikey! Do you see that lightning?
There is lightning, you just can't see it.
There is. So you say there is. You say there's lightning, but we just can't see it. Is that what you're saying?
You can see it, but
Okay.
not as bright because it's still like that.
Are you some kind of meteorologist? How do you know so much? How are you so knowledgeable in this field of invisible lightning?
So invisible, you just see it.
All I see is Christmas lights wrapped around a banister.
Hey, I'll see it back.
They're my lights.
Those are yours.
They're mine.
Oh, you keep it in there?
Let's talk about the lightning. So what else do you know? Do you know anything?
Yeah, you hear the thunder?
Oh, I hear it. Yeah. Scary.
You're gay. See? You didn't see the lightning now?
Excuse me?
You didn't see the lightning now?
I can't see it because your jacket is covering your shirt. Maybe if you open that side up. Just so I can see the lightning. Please, it's for the children.
Yeah.
I'm trying to share this experience with the children. Please just move the jacket the other side too. I can't see the lightning. Both sides. Please.
Better?
Yes, by any chance, do you think you could take the top off as well?
Yeah.
For the children, please. How am I supposed to see the lightning?
Ah! So thunder.
I'm scared of thunder. Please, take your shirt off. This way I won't be scared. Thunder makes me nervous. Please, is there any way you could just take your top off? I'm scared, please. Please take it off. Please. I can't see.
It's on the phone.
I'm nervous.
He's playing with his friends. Like, that's embarrassing.
I'm nervous, please. I feel a little bit safer now, but not as safe. If your breasts were fully out, I would feel very safe and secure. Oh, lightning! Oh, please. 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 No? It's not fair. I'm scared. I'm just little. Please.
Being little.